It has been a few months since Netflix started cracking down on password sharing, and if you're watching this video, chances are you might have encountered that this TV isn't part of a Netflix household error. Luckily, there are a few workarounds to completely fix this problem, so follow along and you will be good to go in the next few minutes. For the first method, you can select I am traveling option that's displayed on the Netflix TV or mobile app. After selecting I am traveling, a verification text code will be sent to the email or phone number associated with the Netflix account for verification. You can enter this code, and as soon as you do that, Netflix will function normally. I've shared my Netflix password with one of my friend, and he required this code for the very first time on 7th Feb and then on 16th April. So I'm traveling option could easily work for 2 months at the very least. If you are able to access Netflix on your phone, laptop or iPad, then you can play back content from your phone on your TV by either using a Chromecast, or if your TV supports it, you can also use AirPlay. Both these methods of casting content will eliminate the need to sign into your Netflix account on your TV, and you will be able to enjoy content without any problems. For the last method, we will rely on a VPN. Using a VPN, you can route your internet traffic through a device at your primary location, which should be connected to the home Wi-Fi network. This way, the IP address of your device that's away from home reflects the IP address of your primary location. To do that, you can use the NordVPN meshnet traffic routing feature. So to start, simply install NordVPN on a host device, which should be connected to your primary network. Sign up for a NordVPN account and enable the meshnet feature on the device. After that, connect the device you want to use outside the Netflix household to meshnet by issuing a meshnet invite from the host device, and that's pretty much it. This method is a bit complex and might reduce the content streaming speed, but it should work. If this video helped you in any way, then feel free to drop a like. Take it easy, and I will see you soon.